2021. My name is Keziah, and I'm a first-year student at Columbia College. I'm studying political science and human rights.
My name is Andrea, and I'm a first year in the School of Engineering and Applied Science, and I'm studying biomedical engineering.
And we're going to give you a tour through Furnald, our residence hall.
So when you enter the building, you have to use your identification card to swipe in with the security public safety officer.
So this is the main lobby of Furnald. It's one of the most beautiful places on campus. A lot of people like to sit here and relax and do their homework or watch TV shows with friends or really anything.
Yeah.
So Furnald has single-sex floors for those who want to live that lifestyle. And I personally live on a single-sex floor. It's floor 2. And I'll be showing you my room, which is a double. So I have a roommate, and let's go in. So this is my double. All doubles come with 2 twin extra long beds, 2 wardrobes or closets, and 2 sets of desks. And then me and my roommate, we both have our own refrigerators, and you can just decorate your room whichever way you want. And also, a great thing about Furnald housing is that you can raise your beds. So you can put a lot of storage under your beds, or really anything you want to put under your beds. I have a lot of storage, so.
So this is the 6th floor. This is an example of one of the mixed gender floors. This is where I live. Let me show you one of our hangout spots, I guess, which is a lounge. Most of Furnald's lounges look like this and are about this size. There's a TV where you can connect your laptop to using that this HDMI cable, so you can like watch Netflix, Hulu Plus, whatever to your liking, or just regular cable. There's obviously a trash can. There are 2 stove tops and 1 oven, 2 microwaves, and these cabinets are like communal cabinets. So if you have plates or whatever, you can store them there.
And then there's also a whiteboard.
Yeah, where you can like come and work on homework with your friends, or just, you know, write little quotes and whatnot. And in the summertime, cold air comes out of those vents, and you can actually control the amount that's blasted by pushing down on this thing and, you know, turning it on or off. And that's all that there is to show. This is an example of the average size single in Furnald. This is a closet. The closet comes with a full body mirror, just in case you were wondering. Mine is a bit dirty, and there's a rack where you can hang up your clothes, and then a shelf where you can put away towels or whatever. The mini fridge is something that I bought myself. They sell that normally at the beginning of the year in the thing called the Eco Reps sale.
And I also wanted to jump in and say that there's also full body mirrors in the wardrobes too, if you don't have a closet.
And every room comes with a desk, but not all rooms come with the same like set of drawers. If you're lucky, like I was, I got one that actually fits underneath my bed, so I can like maximize the amount of space in my room. And this is the window, which you can open. And then the rooms also have the same AC vents that I mentioned before in the that I showed you in the lobby. So let me show you how. Okay, so the building, the maintenance people, they control the type of air that comes out of the vents. So in the warmer months, cold air comes out. So when you put high, it'll blast high cold air, and then you can choose whether you want it to be super cold or less cold. And then in the winter months, or the cooler months like this one, warm air comes out. So when you turn it on, it works the exact same way, but it's just hot air.
So now we'll be showing you an example of one of the communal bathrooms in the mixed gender floors. So they're a little bit bigger than the bathrooms on the same-sex floors. There's three toilets, including a handicap stall for those who need the restroom to be handicapped. There's also about 4 or 5 sinks.
Yes, and there are 3 showers, including a handicap shower. So in the basement, there's the left side is designated for like storage of bikes. So if you have your own bike, you can bring it with you, and you can just store it here. And then
On the other side of the basement, there's free laundry for all students. So you don't have to pay any sort of fees. You just have to bring your own laundry detergent and things like that. But they have free laundry machines and free dryers. So that's a big plus. So we're back on the main floor of Furnald, where the big lobby is. And we're going to show you another big plus of living in Furnald.
yes, most people don't really know about this, but we have our own computer lab. There are 2 regular Dell computers and Dell desktops, and then there's 1 Mac.
So another big plus about living in Furnald is that we have our own printer on the first floor too. So you can come down from your room, and all you have to do is sign in with your uni, which you should be getting later on in the summer. And you have a printing quota of $10 a week, which is about 100 pages. So